Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 40 nautical miles Caribbean Sound until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fish Hook to 7 nautical miles southwest of Sand Bridge, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include buoy for a dreadnought and Fish Hook. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The areas affected